Hey there everybody, how you doing? This is George aka Agent 86 and today we're going to be unboxing the ARC by Matricom. This is a smart home hub, wireless router and Android TV built all in one. I'm doing a lot of testing with the guys and we got a nice solid product to go ahead and deliver to you guys, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it for you today. Alright, so we have the ARC right here, Smart Living Made Simple. It's a smart hub, a long range router, entertainment center, energy management, smart firewall, and live TV. Take full control. Control your smart home remotely. ARC's mobile app acts as a universal remote to give you full control of your smart home so you can configure scenes, manage schedules, and critical tasks. Monitor your home and expenses for every device remotely, controls your locks, view security cameras, and adjust the thermostat in your home. Turn on lights, play your favorite music, and draw your curtains right from your smartphone. It's available on Google Play and on the App Store. So again, this is a media streaming device, a smart home hub, and cyber security center. It's also powered by Xunison. Make your home smarter and safer. ARC is an all-in-one solution for your home and business that will revolutionize the way that you interact with your environment, save energy, increase security, and improve your quality of life. With exceptional features such as built-in router, mobile smart home access, and 4K video, the ARC makes connect your entire home or business with the built-in long-range router. Browse the web with strong and reliable dual-band internet. Prevent various kinds of cyber attacks with the built-in smart firewall. Use content filtering and parental controls to restrict usage, filter internet access, and prohibit inappropriate websites. Make your home safer than ever with our smart home security system. Monitor your home even when you're on the go with our mobile app. Control system security cameras, alarms, or make smart home adjustments. Track the energy usage of all your devices and appliances. Manage your lighting, heating, and cooling system. Stream live TV, browse content, and watch international channels. Experience full 4K HD resolution, navigate the power and easy-to-use search engine. Find movies and shows from multiple platforms such as Netflix and Hulu. Download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Stay in touch using social media apps or keep the kids happy by downloading their favorite games. Theater intelligence, parental controls, device management, monitor, sense, action, international channels, 4K resolution, voice command. And of course the specs. It's sporting a quad-core 2.0 GHz processor, pentacore ARM Mali 453D graphics, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. The router is an MT7628. The gateway is going to be Z-Ways and Wi-Fi. It does connect to Ethernet and it has Android 7.0. The unit can handle a video output of 60 frames per second 4K and has two USB 2.0 ports, as well as a micro SD port slot, HDMI output, coax cable, an AV port, and SPDIF. Not only is the unit powered by Xunison, but it's also backed by a 1-year Matricom warranty. So for all of those who have stuck with Matricom throughout the years, this Matricom warranty is the reason why. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. This thing is packed in there tight. It's supposed to be. Alright, so the first thing you're greeted with is the unit itself. There's the unit right there. I'm going to go ahead and get a close-up of the ports. There's your LAN port, and you got the two extra slots there. You also have your HDMI, USBs, 2 of them. There's for your optical. And also, there is a spot here where you can put a little mini hard drive in there. And of course, also an SD card slot. I like that it's a full-size SD card. And looks like there's a reset button right there. Alright, so pull this out. Alright, it's a nice piece of paper here. Alright, so here we go. We got our remote control. It has the power button, mute button, a couple other buttons which we'll get into later. It takes 2 AAA batteries. It comes with an HDMI cable. This also comes with an Ethernet cable, so that's pretty cool, and the power cable. So that's pretty much it for what's inside the box. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this thing up, and we'll go ahead and take a first look at that first run setup. All right, so the very first screen you're gonna see is this one right here asking you to pair your remote control. It says to pair your remote, press and hold the home and back buttons together for 2 seconds. The remote has successfully paired with the ARC when the red LED at the top of your remote begins to flash repeatedly. So we're going to do just that. We're going to hold the home button and the back button together. And we're going to keep pressing it until, there we go, there's the red light. And it took us to the next step. Take the first step towards smart living. Complete the setup wizard to configure your ARC. So we're going to press start. And I'm going to choose English. I'm Eastern Standard. Hey there, Benji. What's going on? There we go, Eastern Standard. Now, for your router settings, we'll make another video for that there, for how to go ahead and enter your router settings. For this video, we're just going to go ahead and skip it. And also for your Wi-Fi settings, again, I'm going to do another video for that. In this video, we're going to go ahead and skip that also. Next thing it's going to ask is for you to plug in your Ethernet cable. We've already done that, so I'm going to click next. And now it's asking me to register the device with the Google account. So I need to add a device, and I need to sign in with a Gmail account. All right, so if you don't have a Gmail account, go ahead and create a new Gmail account and then log in from the ARC. All right, next step is going to be to click right here where it says register. And then go back. Make sure that you agree with all terms and conditions. Then click next. And you can go ahead and register your ARC. I'm going to go ahead and skip account setup, and we'll cover that in another video. Also, here's a QR code in case you want to go ahead and download the application. Again, that's another video, so make sure that you're subscribed so you can go ahead and see those videos as they come on. Now, if you've gone through all of these steps, it's going to go ahead and complete your setup, and then the ARC's going to go ahead and shut off for a little while and cut back on.
I'm just wondering why you have 3 ARCs right here. You have one over there, you have one over there, you have one over there.
That's because, well, we got ARCs on deck.
Well, at least turn that ARC around so if it's just a freaking can't. There you go. That's just bothering me.
All right, so you should have told me, man.
You got Twin Towers going on.
All right, so the ARC is resetting right now, and as soon as it comes back online, we should be ready to go. All right, so here's our first look here at the ARC. We got a home section, movies, TV shows, a live TV section. Make sure that you accept the terms. There you go, there's a bunch of channels there. There's also a smart home, energy management, and of course your router, some security settings. From the home screen, you have a couple banners up here. Links to the Matricom site, as well as a blog about the ARC. Get to the Matricom forum, create your account, start talking about it. Also, there's a link there for some more accessories, some YouTube videos from them, and some tutorials. You also have a selection here for all apps. So if you click on all apps, you can see all the apps that come with the unit. Included is the Google app, file application, as well as Total Commander, Media Center for those of you who need to hook up AirPlay, the Google Play Store, the ARC router, the Matricom store, which you can find a lot of great applications in there. So I definitely recommend that. Google Chrome, Netflix, of course. I see that it also comes with the VLC player, Firefox, YouTube, and that's about it for that. You can also add some favorites to the front. So if you click add a favorite, let's say for instance that I wanted to add Google Chrome to my favorites. I click on Google Chrome, and you see right there that Google Chrome is added to the front. Now if I long press on Google Chrome right now, I get this option down here at the bottom that asks me, do I really want to remove Google Chrome from this category? I can slide over to yes, get rid of it. That's how easy it is to set up that home screen. Under movies, you're going to see a lot of different movies here. Hey there, Benji, what's going on? So let's say, for instance, you wanted to watch Jurassic Park. What do you think about that, Benji? You want to watch Jurassic Park? If you click on Jurassic Park, it tells you in just a moment, and then it gives you a list of different sources that you can go ahead and get this movie. In this one, Microsoft Store and Fandango. It also has for the preview, so in case you wanted to watch the trailer, that's there. And then also some recommendations that other viewers watched. TV shows, it's pretty much the same thing. You pick something like South Park, and what it's going to do is Here's all the seasons of South Park right here. Season 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to season 1, episode 1, and here we go. So here's the different sources where I can get this from. So if you have Amazon Prime, if you have Verizon Online, Vudu, Yahoo, Hulu, iTunes, YouTube, there's all these different places you can go ahead and connect. It makes it really easy to use. And that's it for the TV section. All right, so here we are in the TV section, and there's some stuff like the Adult Swim, CBS, Bloomberg. Not the best channels. You won't find HBO or anything like that, but all of these channels are fine. Click on whatever you're watching, it'll make it big. And then if I click OK again on my remote control with the middle button, I got this up here, which I can switch from all channels, and then I can just go to the different countries. So for instance, I'm going to go to the United States. There's South Korea, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom. There's the United States. So here's all the channels that are available for free with the ARC. You got, again, Bloomberg, C-SPAN, MSNBC, CBS, NASA TV. So it's pretty cool that it has this. It doesn't have the best channels, like I said. However, they are free, and they're in pretty decent quality. Next is going to be the smart home. You can add devices such as the Z-Wave dimmable LED light. You also have devices like this smart home motion sensor, which you could hook up. There's a multi-sensor. There's a plug where you can turn pretty much anything into a smart device. And all of these devices, they work with Z-Wave. So we're going to have some links probably in the description of this video to where you can get some of this stuff also. So make sure that you check the subscription in the video there. Also in the smart home section is again this QR code where you can scan and be able to download the application. So adding a device is pretty easy. Just click add a device. Next is energy management. There's no devices hooked up right now, but basically what this is going to do is it's going to tell you how much energy you're using and tell you, like, for instance, your door sensors. So if someone opens a door at 4 o'clock in the morning, it's going to register here on the graph. You'll be able to see which doors have been accessed just in case. You'll be able to hook up things like cameras. As long as it's a Z-Wave product, it's not going to be any issue. In your router settings, you have your download speed, upload speed, and some memory. Also, if you click there, you got your router info. There's your Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi mode, router admin, router state, and web guide. If you haven't already registered from the initial setup screen, it does give you an option right here to go ahead and register the account. If you click right there, you can easily register with your email address. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. We're going to make an entire series on the ARC showing you how to hook up the various different devices, as well as all of the different options, so that way you guys can go ahead and get the best experience out of this thing. If you have any questions, we definitely want to hear about it. Make sure that you comment below, and if there's any interesting devices that you want us to maybe test, go ahead and drop those links in the description, and we'll go ahead and see about getting those videos up for you. So that's pretty much it for today. We definitely appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, as I said, make sure that you comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.